Welcome to this explainer. Look, if you're watching the AI space, you already know it's moving at lightning speed. But let's be totally honest here. There is a lot of noise out there right now. Everyone's talking about using AI to write emails a little faster or churn out generic blog posts. Well, today, we're cutting right through that hype. We're focusing purely on execution. We're mapping out the exact blueprint you need to turn your highly specialized knowledge into a profitable, scalable digital employee.
Imagine, just for a second, literally cloning yourself, creating an AI version of you that works around the clock to solve complex problems for paying users. If you're a consultant, a coach, or a domain expert, you know exactly what the income ceiling feels like. You've only got 24 hours in a day, so you can only take on so many clients. You're trading time for money. But bottling your expertise into a custom GPT that completely shatters that ceiling. You're packaging your unique brainpower into a software tool that never sleeps, never needs a vacation, and can serve thousands of clients all at the same time.
So we're taking a complete zero-to-hero roadmap today. We'll quickly cover the custom GPT opportunity, then jump into building your AI assistant, launching it to the world, strategies for actually monetizing it, and finally, growing your GPT brand.
All right, let's dive into part 1, the custom GPT opportunity.
Before we build a single thing, we've got to understand what we're actually creating here and why your specific domain expertise is the absolute key to making it valuable. Think of a custom GPT like hiring a hyper-specialized digital employee that you train flawlessly for one single focused job. Unlike a standard chatbot that tries to be everything to everyone, a custom GPT behaves exactly how you tell it to. And crucially, it references only the specific documents and knowledge that you give it. This is huge because it practically eliminates that fear of hallucinations people have with generic AI. When it strictly relies on your uploaded data, it becomes an incredibly reliable tool for professional, niche tasks. Whether you're analyzing heavy financial data, writing technical copy, or coaching users through a specific fitness program.
Because, you see, there's a massive difference between generic AI and your custom creation. Generic ChatGPT is essentially this vast ocean of broad internet data. It spits out generalized answers that literally anyone can get. But your custom GPT? That's a laser beam. It provides highly specialized solutions using your unique instructions and your proprietary frameworks. And guys, that is your competitive moat. That's exactly why people are going to pay for this. You aren't just giving them another chat interface, you're handing them your hard-earned methodologies packaged as an incredibly easy-to-use software solution.
Moving right along to part 2, building your AI assistant. Let's roll up our sleeves. Getting into the GPT Builder is surprisingly simple. It's just a quick 3-step process. You log into your account, hit Explore or Create over in the sidebar, and select Create a GPT to open the builder. Now, keep in mind you do need an active ChatGPT Plus premium subscription to access these tools and get into the store later. But honestly, that premium requirement is actually a massive win for you as a creator. It acts as a barrier to entry. It prevents the GPT store from being completely overrun with low-effort spam from free accounts, which fiercely protects the visibility of the premium tool you're about to build.
Once you're inside that configuration menu, you're effectively stepping into the role of a manager handing off tasks to a brand new hire. You've got 3 main tools to work with here. First up, the Instructions tab. This is where you give the AI its personality, its core purpose, and strict formatting rules. You get up to 8,000 characters here, so you can be incredibly precise about how it talks and acts. Second is the Knowledge tab. This is where you hand over the training manual. It's where you upload your 50-page PDF coaching framework, your custom spreadsheets, or your internal research papers. And third, the Capabilities tab. This gives your assistant superpowers, letting you toggle on things like live web browsing for real-time data, Dolly for creating images, or the code interpreter to instantly crunch datasets and spit out custom charts.
And here's the absolute best part. You do not need a computer science degree to make this happen. Zero coding required. You literally just use plain English in a conversational interface to describe what you want. For example, you could just tell the builder, hey, I want to create a GPT that helps fitness trainers design personalized workout plans based on client goals, equipment availability, and fitness levels. Boom. It is that straightforward. The clearer your vision and the more details your initial prompt is, the better the builder can automatically configure the back end of your assistant to match exactly what you're looking for.
Okay, part 3, launching to the world. Now, before you even think about hitting that publish button, you're going to want to spend some time rigorously testing your AI using the preview button. Throw some serious curveballs at it. You want to catch any weird edge cases or unexpected answers yourself. Once it's bulletproof, it's time to finalize everything for the public. First impressions are everything in a crowded GPT store, so your digital employee has to look incredibly professional. Give it a catchy, descriptive name, write a description that focuses heavily on the benefits to the user, not just the technical specs. Generate a clean, custom DALL-E profile image for it, and absolutely make sure to create 4 or 5 highly useful conversation starters. These basically act as a menu, removing the friction of a user staring at a blank prompt box and guiding them straight to that aha moment. After a quick final review to check for typos or policy issues, you're ready to publish. But listen up, because there's a crucial technical detail here you absolutely cannot miss: your visibility settings. You have to set your final GPT visibility to public. If you leave it on only me or anyone with a link, your creation locks itself completely out of the GPT store. Nobody will find it organically, and you won't be eligible to earn a single dime from it. So always double check that it's set to public.
Which brings us nicely to part 4, strategies for monetization. Let's talk about getting paid.
So your AI is built, it's public, it looks awesome. The most direct path to getting paid for all this hard work is OpenAI's Builder Revenue Program. Once you verify your identity and set up a payment profile, you start earning income based on how much your GPT is used compared to others in the store. But what does user engagement actually mean to them? Well, it's not just about getting 1,000 random one-off clicks on launch day. OpenAI wants tools that keep people coming back. It's all about retention. If you make a highly useful product that becomes a daily habit for your specific users, your slice of that revenue pool is going to steadily grow.
But look, as a smart entrepreneur, you never want to rely on just one single income stream, right? Your Custom GPT is a wildly versatile business asset. Sure, the official store pays out passive consumer income, but the real big money is often found outside of that. Think about using your GPT as a highly interactive lead magnet to upsell your premium one-on-one consulting. Or you could drop the link to your GPT behind a paywall on a private subscription site. You can build specialized productivity tools and license them as B2B solutions directly to corporate enterprises. You can even bundle exclusive access to your GPT right into your premium online courses. The options are huge here.
Finally, part 5, growing your GPT brand.
Flipping the switch to public is really just the starting line. You can't just build it and quietly hope people stumble across it. You've got to actively drive adoption. Start by heavily optimizing your store name and description keywords so your target audience can actually find you when they search. Then, hit social media and show off exactly what this AI can do. People absolutely love visual before and afters of the tedious problems your GPT solves in seconds. From there, create content like YouTube tutorials showing folks the best ways to prompt your specific tool. And lastly, build a dedicated user community, like a private Discord server. Gathering your super users creates this amazing feedback loop, helping you find edge cases and highly requested features that'll make your GPT even stronger.
And as your brand scales, you don't have to stop at just one tool. Why solve one problem when you can own the entire vertical? You're not just building a tool, you're building an ecosystem. Expand your business by creating a whole suite of specialized, complementary GPTs. Think back to that fitness expert we were talking about. They could have one GPT entirely dedicated to building daily workouts, then a second one focused completely on nutrition, macros, and meal prep, and maybe a third one strictly for tracking weekly progress and adjusting long-term goals. By doing that, you completely dominate your niche because you're solving every single angle of your user's workflow.
At the end of the day, you have to treat your Custom GPT as a living, breathing product. The AI landscape shifts at breakneck speed, and user expectations shift right along with it. A GPT that never gets updated is going to become obsolete really quickly. So you've got to commit to continuous improvement. That means constantly A/B testing your instructions to tighten them up. It means keeping pace with OpenAI's platform updates, but most importantly, it means regularly updating its knowledge base with fresh data and new research. Providing that ongoing, up-to-date value is exactly what's going to keep users subscribed and coming back to your tool month after month.
So, there it is. You now have the complete roadmap to turn your specialized knowledge into a scalable, income-generating AI. You know exactly how to structure the build, how to optimize it for a killer launch, how to tap into multiple monetization streams, and how to scale it up into a full ecosystem. The only question left to answer is this: what unique expertise are you going to bottle up and build today? Thanks for hanging out with me for this explainer. Now go get building.